What's up, Jabroni? Here by the interaction. Throughout the Jabroni episode of Young Sheldon, episode number 13, called A Sneeze, Detention, and Sissy Spacek. I can know that name. Hopefully, you guys have been enjoying the series. Previous episode was, of course, Sheldon wanted a computer. There was the fight between the parents, where his dad didn't want to get it because they can't afford it. Mom wanted to get him something. She'd been saving up money. It was a whole money thing. Decent episode. We're going to hop into this one. Have a good time. Here we go.
I've been called a germaphobe, but
What?
I do
Oh.
find a sneeze acceptable.
What's he
It
doing?
could be caused by dust,
He's freaking out.
allergies, or really whatever nasal irritant floats your boat.
He's freaking out.
However, during flu season,
Oh, God.
a second sneeze means a plague is upon the land, and is every man for himself.
Where do you think you're going?
Away from you.
Why's that?
I want.
It's spreading.
Okay, Sheldon, come on. It's actually not a bad idea.
Are you eating jerky?
Oh.
Oh, no, that's
What are you
tobacco?
doing?
You're eating
Nothing.
tobacco, dog?
Is that chewing tobacco?
Why?
It's chocolate bazooka. What do you want?
I have detention tomorrow, and I thought you could give me. Would you prefer a piece of paper? I have some in my briefcase.
Oh, dude,
It's
shut
here
up.
to change your mind.
All right, losers, you know how this works. 1 hour, no talking, no horseplay.
Hey, look.
Mr. Givens.
Why are you here?
Has he been in this before? And I just forgot?
So I left her classroom.
I can't remember now.
Pass.
Well, something is going around. Actually, I had a little tickle in my
I
throat.
can't remember if he's been in this,
Okay,
and I
time
just
to
kind of
go.
forgot about.
Nice meeting you.
What are you doing?
You've heard of fight or flight? This is flight.
Not so funny now, is it?
No. How long is he suspended for?
A week.
And it goes on his permanent record.
Well, that's no big deal. I had all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I think
on
he
my
has
early
because there was the
high
whole
school
episode where like the
record.
teachers were all happy
And
that he was
suddenly
gone,
I've been a
right?
bartender for 8
And they were like,
years.
I think the real issue we need to deal with is his germ phobia.
Oh, yes, you don't want him turning into Howard. Okay?
oh my God, he's sleeping like this?
So pretty. What's going on? I'm not feeling so good.
She's a little shit, dude.
Sucker.
In national news, an unusually early flu season most at risk.
I wonder how Sheldon handled COVID.
Look,
We're all gonna die. This isn't funny.
I know, baby. I know. But you need to
He made a bubble room.
Hello. In case of a breach.
Of a breach? That not gonna do anything? It's not a
That's
real.
my plan.
George! I'm sure he'll be out by the time you get home.
Not
Doubt
sure
it.
why you think that, but okay.
Mom,
Yes, Shelley?
can you close the door? I need to use the sink.
Wow. They really are just. I mean, she is.
Cook? Georgie Cooper?
Here.
Sheldon Cooper? Absent?
Now,
I can't.
come on. I'm your mommy. Do it for your mommy.
No.
But I'm your mommy.
Y'all are killing me. I'm your mommy.
I think the saddest part about it is just how sad it is.
Don't come out. I'm coming in. 1, 2.
Breach, breach.
Breach, breach.
Hey, I was right. I knew he was gonna say that.
No.
I knew he was gonna. It's because that's what I would have done.
You can't run away from me forever.
I don't have to do it forever, just till you get tired.
Mary,
Wow.
my video camera. Don't get you until I get back. This is not a joke.
I mean, it's.
Sheldon, get over here.
He said just till you get tired. He's,
Get over here. Sheldon, Sheldon Lake Cooper. Get here. Right now.
You have to threaten to break his trains.
Come here, Sheldon Lake Cooper.
You threaten to break his trains and he'll...
Right here.
Oh. Oh, got him.
Listen to me, Buster. Ball, you are a Texan.
Most of all, that's
So
the thing.
Texans aren't afraid of nothing. Rattlesnakes, Indians. Out here and eat your cookies out in the world like a man, like a Texan man.
Is this gonna work? No. Really? Wow. How the hell? That's what worked?
Son of the Lone Star State, albeit a true son with an incredibly fragile immune system.
Oh, he's sick?
I woke up the next morning with a temperature of 102 and a head packed full of mucus.
What the hell? He got
However,
sick?
There was a silver lining.
Soft kitty, warm kitty, purr, purr, purr.
Oh, he got to have a little lullaby.
First, blow your nose.
He got a little lullaby from his mommy.
Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball.
Oh, that was cute. Alrighty then, that was Young Sheldon, episode 13. Sheldon did not want to get sick, and he essentially got sick in the end because he listened to Meemaw. Him running around with Mom chasing him was the best part of the episode because everybody growing up had that moment where they ran from their parents. I mean, it obviously ended in an ass whooping for most of us, probably. Anybody in my generation did that, made the ass whooping even worse. But you know, it's Sheldon, and they're not gonna do that. Georgie trying to get the whole sympathy thing from the ladies isn't funny. His sister, what's his sister's name? Missy, you know, scaring him at night was funny. Drawing on him was solid as well. We also the fact that when the teacher got sneezed and he just started to pack everything slowly, and then when it happened again, he was like, "I'm out." It was funny. And then the same thing at the office. Good shit though. Good episode at the end though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Can I get out of here? I'll talk to you guys later.